All right, folks, right now I'm in Bogota at the Photon dealership. My company purchased a truck October 17th. Right now it's December 15th, and the car is finally here. I'm finally here to get the keys. Let's go. One of the specific reasons we chose this particular model is that it's a hybrid. And when you have to transport material and you're doing construction, you don't have time to be interfered with Pico y Placa. So I picked up my truck this morning from Bogota. I've been driving it for the last couple of hours, and my initial experience has been absolutely amazing. If you are in the construction business or are in the need of constant transportation for moving materials, I highly recommend giving the Photon tunneling a consideration. This is a hybrid, so I avoid Pico y Placa, and I'm absolutely looking forward to putting it to work for my company.